Ooh, a party! I'll bring the piñata. Everyone's invited. What? Is it too early? Let's put them down as a maybe. Meanwhile, I wonder what's inside the box. Look, fangs. Let's try them on for size.
Wow.
Well, pretty big, but could be bigger. Add some clear material around it. Now we'll need some juice. Make sure it's nice and red. Add inside your fangs and seal it up. Take a look while you still got a reflection. Ugh, pimples! Let's fix that with some vampire face paint. Not bad, but if you weren't a vampire, I'd say you'd need a little more sun. A mask? Going to the ball? Even better, it's for your makeup. Purple, the color of royalty, magic, and, well, other purple stuff. Marvelous! Now, those pigtails had a nice run, but let's get ironing. And look, this one makes shapes. You can never have too many Lucky Charms.
Wow.
Ooh, let's cover that hairline. Take this feather and comb it out. Rock those roots. Now for your nails. Wrap some Nanotape around them. Take some color and inject it. Red, the color of love, and ketchup. Just don't bite these nails. Our new friend here wants to help. Look, confetti and a new outfit. Now Mr. Bones wants to help. Cover his chest with clear wrap. And add some hot glue on top. Those ribs make a great pattern. Now it's a stylish new bodice. And speaking of ribs, when's lunch? Oh, first, let's change those shoes. Those heels could use a little more bite. Looks like you've got tongue to spare. Pierce it. You won't feel a thing. But we can't forget the fangs. Might have noticed a theme here. What's next? Ooh, a fake booty! Let's try it out. Put it on and do a little dance. Oh, should come in handy in battle. Now that's the bottom line. Next up, we'll need some nylon. Let's add some spooky designs. And we can just trace them on. Pull it off. Kinda ghostly, isn't it?
Wow.
It'll make a great armband. Make that armbands.
Wow.
What else does the coffin have for us? A 3D pen? Let's fix up those glasses. How about their own bat wings? Draw them out and fill inside the lines. And the bat fun doesn't end there. We've got a whole flock now. Next, take some melted paraffin and give your fingers a dip. Before it dries, add some glitter. It's a little flower that fits on your finger. How does your garden grow? Now for a little lipstick. No reflection, didn't I tell ya? Still, it's a must for makeup. Don't worry, we got just the thing. A makeup stencil. Try it on. Staying inside the lines was never her strong suit. You deserve a candy break. Oh, it's a tiny little bauble. String a bunch of them together. They'll look great on your neck. And vampires are all about necks. Something tells me it's party time. Everyone should be dying for an invitation now. After all the ghoul kids are coming. Oh man, remind me to get the night guy a gum scraper. Ah! I'd apologize quick if I were you. Oh no! Not liquid! Her only weakness! Wow, she's really a mermaid. Hey, be nice. Let's get out of here. Wait, what's that? Oh, a siren song is calling us. Let's go. Wow, a conch shell. Anything inside?
Wow.
An acne wand. Well, let's try it out. Hold on, I think that one's a pearl. So that's where the clams get them. And look what else, an erasable marker. It takes like a fish to water, which it kinda is.
Wow.
Take a dip, the water's fine. And goodbye, red spot. Ooh, I've heard of catching fish in a barrel.
Ew.
Don't worry, Nemo, we'll set you free. Meanwhile, let's have fun with this net. It'll help us add some makeup. Let's hope this stuff is waterproof. Ooh, your scales are glowing! And look, the conch has given us new teeth. This metalwork could come in handy. Add some transparent material. Pour on some glue in lines. Now add some glitter. Shake it off. And you've got a shiny new fin. Why not make one for each ear? Look, Dolly came down for a swim. I think she wants to be a mermaid too. Well, that's an easy fix. Huh, why don't we color that tail? Ooh, coral pink. Or is it more salmon? How about some pink bangs? Ooh, your tail could use a makeover too. Ugh.
Ew.
Let's ditch these grubs. Careful.
Ew.
Look, our little crustacean friend's here to help.
Wow.
He'll clean you up like a bottom feeder. Maybe even perform a calypso song if there's time. It's clean, but we're just getting started. It's glitter time, and we're gonna need a lot of it. Oh, so shiny. Should come in handy in the dark sea. What the? A clam? Or, as I like to call it, lunch. Melts in your mouth and on your shirt. Let's make you a new top.
Cool.
Thanks, Mr. Conch. Take these shell necklaces and tie them up. Don't forget one for your neck.
Wow.
Perfect. Got anything in there? Ew.
Ew.
And those hands don't look much better. A shell? Oh, add some polish. And before it dries, some glitter sand. It's the perfect fake nail, but we're gonna need some more. The magic conch does it again.
Aww. Cool.
What a transformation! It's a whole new you.
Aw.
Hey, look, it's the kids from before.
Wow.
Well, pride comes before a fall.
Wow.
Looks like she's the bigger person. Now she's finally part of their world. Probably should have made that left turn at Albuquerque. Wait, you want to become a vampire? Are you sure? What about pizza? Well, there's no going back now. Don't forget to tip the hostess. Ooh, not exactly her style, but nothing a makeover can't fix. That red hair is simply to die for. Now it's time to put on your face. Try not to bite your tongue. Now let's change up your wardrobe. Ooh, good idea. We'll use these tights. Remember, don't show too much skin. Vampires don't exactly tan in the sun. This arm could use a little something. Ah, temporary tattoos. And they're bat-themed. Just lie down and add some water. Oh, there's spiders too. Now let's move on to the shoes. Take some foil and make silver go-go boots. And a pitchfork makes for a stylish heel. Don't forget to decorate. Some blood red rubies really pulls the look together. When you're a vampire, some sharp claws can really come in handy. And the black polish just looks cool. How about we make a skirt too? Here, let's use an old face mask. Let's start by cutting it down to size. Fold it up like a fan. And then try it on. We don't want to hide those nice boots. Much better. Now, what else can we add? A ribbon? I know. Let's melt some red glue so that it looks like dripping blood. She'll look good enough to eat or drink. Oh, Pegasus here is giving me some ideas. You can use a pair of wings yourself. But let's bend the wires, shall we? We want a nice pair of bat wings. But they can still be glittery, which reminds me. Take an old toothpaste cap and cover it up with clear glue. Dip it in some glitter. Add jewels, a strap, and you've got a purse. What should we fill it up with? And the pièce de résistance, a coffin. Okay, maybe we should ditch the bow. Now get in, it's nap time.